Hello and nice to meet you. In this video I'm going to show you how you can create an animation like this in Framer. So let's go. I prepared already some things for you and we have everything that we need and everything is inside the frame, and out of this frame I'm going to create a component. I'm going here to slider image. I call it slider image 2. And now I just can create another variant, and here I can add some modifications. So what I want is that the gradient goes until the lamp, so it's getting more visible. And also I want that the image zooms in. So I'm just going to place it. Also, there's a button, the object button, and we want this object button to appear. So we set the set index to 5, but it's still in the background image, and we want to bring it up. So, and the problem, we also have 2 of the buttons. So I'm just choosing the first one and I'm bringing it to the chair. So we also can make some changes to the background again. I want to have it a bit bigger, just a bit, yeah, like this. And now we can make the connection. So we are connecting this one and we are going to say mouse enter, and also we can connect the second variant with the first one, and we are going to set it on mouse leave. So I have this variant, and what I can do right now, we are going to have a look at it, and you see this one is coming inside to the chair. Later on there will be something like an overlay, but this is for the next video. And yeah, hopefully I could help you. Hopefully I could bring you one step further. If it is like this, it would be really nice if you like this video. And if you want to see more to the topic of Framer, just subscribe to my channel. And yeah, hopefully we see each other in the next video, and have a nice day. Bye.